Hello everyone. Want to experience the future of search with AI-powered answers right in Google? Let me show you how to turn on AI mode, also called Search Generative Experience, in under a minute. So step one, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. So to turn on AI mode in Google search, first click on the beaker icon at the top right corner. That's a search lab icon. So once you get in here, so scroll down little until you find the option called AI mode. So search generative experience. So now it's showing as AI mode. Let me select this. So then toggle the switch to turn it on. So already in my case, it's turned on. So yeah, that's it. So keep in mind, some users might not see this feature yet because it's still an experimental model and currently in beta. Google is rolling it out gradually, so it should become available in more regions very soon. So stay tuned.